Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can open or create a Krak account. So let's get started. Now first off, once you have your Krak app installed, you will just need to tap on it to open it, and then once you're on this screen, just go ahead and tap on create account. Now it's important to know that if you have a Kraken account, that being a Kraken crypto exchange account, you can just sign in with those credentials. But if you don't have a Kraken account, you can just tap on create account. Now once you tap on create account, you would need to input the email address that you want to be associated with that account, and also you have an option to add an invite code. Now if you use the invite code from the description below and input it right here, you will get $10 once you make your first transfer with Krak. So again, you will get $10 if you use the promo code from the description. Now once you input the promo code or the invite code, you can input the email, and then after you inputted the email, just go ahead and tap on continue. Now you would need to confirm this email address, and you do this by just opening your Gmail app and then copy pasting the code that Krak sent you right here. Once you inputted the code, you will be automatically redirected to the next screen where you would need to create a unique password for your Krak account. Now on this screen you also have one more chance to input the invite code, so if you haven't done that already, you can do that right here. So let's go ahead and select a password. Now when selecting a password, keep in mind these password requirements right here. So it needs to have 12 characters, one of those needs to be a special character, and at least one letter. Once you selected your password, just go ahead and tap on continue. Then you would need to select your country of residence, so the default is USA, but you can just tap on this and change to whichever country you're from. So I will just select Croatia right here, and then you need to tick this check mark right here to accept the TOS. But the first one is not necessary, so I will just tick it off, because I don't want to receive any marketing emails. And after this, you would just need to tap on continue. Then the last step would be verifying your phone number. So depending on the country that you selected, you will get this phone number prefix right here. But if you made a mistake, you can of course just change it by just tapping on it. But I will just leave it as it is and then input my phone number here to verify it. So let's go ahead and do this. Now, after you inputted your phone number, just go ahead and tap on continue once more. Next up, you would need to input your legal first name and your legal last name. So the first and last name that you can see on your ID. After that, just go ahead and tap on continue. And next up, you would just need to create your Krak tag. Once you inputted your Krak tag, just go ahead and tap on update Krak tag. Then you would need to input your date of birth. So let's go ahead and do that. And then tap on continue. Next up, you would need to select your employment status, so I will just select employed and then tap on continue. Then your branch of work, so I will just select media, for example, and then tap on continue. Then you would need to select your nationality, so just tap on nationalities right here, and then either input it in the search bar, or you can just scroll and select your country. Then just go ahead and tap on continue. And then this is optional, so you can just exit it right here. And there we go. Now you have finally created your Krak account and you can start using it after you verify your identity. And this is just pretty straightforward KYC, so you would just need to take a picture of your ID and then submit it. So essentially, that's guys how you can create your Krak account. Now if you want to get $10 extra on your Krak balance right here, you can use the invite code from the description, and that will give you some extra starter funds. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.